Nestled in the heart of rural Maharashtra, Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Kawthe Mahankal stands as a beacon of hope and progress. Established under the visionary leadership of Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha, this institution has since its inception dedicated itself to nurturing the rural youth, empowering them with knowledge, skill and values that shapes not just careers but character.
Founded in 1978, Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalay is the only grantable institution in the Tehsil affiliated with Shivaji University, Kolhapur. It was established with a singular mission to provide quality higher education to the underserved rural population, fostering sustainable growth and nurturing moral and ethical values in every student. The college is managed by dedicated governing body and a dynamic administrative team. Over the decades, it has evolved into a multidisciplinary hub offering arts, commerce and science streams with a commitment to inclusivity, gender equity and environmental sustainability.
The institution vision is clear to transform rural youth into responsible citizens equipped with professional skills, ethical grounding and commitment to social progress. This vision is realized through a blend of academic rigor, co-curricular engagement and value-based education.
At the core of the college, continuous improvement is the Internal Quality Assurance Cell or IQAC. This body plays a pivotal role in institutionalizing quality assurance strategies and processes through regular reviews of the teaching learning process, operational structures and learning outcomes. IQAC ensures that the institution not only meets but exceeds the benchmarks of academic excellence.
The IQAC prepares and submits the Annual Quality Assurance Report AQAR to NAAC, collects feedback from students, parents and alumni and implements action plans based on this analysis. It records incremental improvements in all activities, ensuring a culture of evidence-based decision-making.
The IQAC has made significant contributions, including implementing the Choice-Based Credit System (CBCS), introducing new certificate and value-added course, and organizing seminars, workshops, and field visit. It has automated the library with the Koha system, upgraded internet and digital infrastructure, established a mentor-mentee support system, and actively promoted gender sensitization and universal values.
I, Mr. Agnash Kambe, IQAC coordinator of Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Kawthe Mahankal. The role of the IQAC to monitor, to evaluate, and to enhance the every aspect of functioning of the institute, from the curriculum design to the stakeholder feedback. We ensure that the quality is never compromised.
Our college offers a wide range of departments in arts, commerce and science, each committed to innovative, student-centric teaching that emphasizes participative, experiential and research-based learning. Participative methods such as group discussions, debates, seminars, collaborative projects, field visits and study tours are integral to classroom teachings, fostering critical thinking, teamwork, leadership and real-world exposure.
Experiential learning is at the heart of our approach, which laboratory work in science, practical sessions in commerce, and creative workshops in arts, allowing students to learn by doing, internship, industrial visits, and community outreach programs. Further, bridge the gap between academic knowledge and industry practices, providing hands-on experience and practical insight, faculty-guided research projects, and encouragement to publish and present at conference, along with the college's own research journal, cultivate a strong culture of inquiry and innovation.
The curriculum integrates cross-cutting issues such as professional ethics, gender sensitivity, human values, environmental awareness, and sustainability, reinforced through regular awareness programs and workshops, continuous integral evaluation, adhering to university norms, and supplemented by in-house assessments, ensure timely and transparent feedback for students' growth. The use of ICT tools, including smart classroom, e-content, and platforms like Google Classroom and Zoom, makes learning accessible, interactive, and flexible, supporting students anytime and anywhere.
The language departments English, Hindi, and Marathi play a crucial role in shaping both the intellectual and cultural life of the college. The Department of English focuses on developing students' communication skills, critical thinking, and global awareness through essay competitions, poetry recitation, debates, and literary association. Workshops in spoken English and soft skills further equip students for academic and professional success, encouraging confident and creative self-expressions.
The Department of Hindi nurtures a deep appreciation for India's national language by organizing events like Hindi Divas, essay writing, storytelling, and elocution competitions. Seminars and guest lectures connect students with prominent writers and scholars, fostering creative writing and translation abilities while celebrating Hindi literature and culture. Rooted in regional heritage, the Department of Marathi hosts Marathi Bhasha Din, literary festivals, script writing, workshops, and cultural activities such as street plays and book exhibitions. These initiatives inspire students to explore Marathi literature, engage with renowned authors, and contribute to preserving local traditions and identity. Collectively, these departments enhance linguistic proficiency, cultural pride, and social responsibility among students, enriching both their academic and personal development.
The departments of History, Political Science, Economics, and Sociology collectively offers a dynamic education in the social sciences, fostering critical thinking, analytical skills, and social awareness. The Department of History develops students' appreciation for diverse historical perspective and research skills, focusing on local, cultural, and economic history, as well as modern Maharashtra and Maratha studies. Faculty supports students in competitive exams, preparation, and organize seminars, workshops, and community activities.
Political science provides a deep understanding of political concepts, institutions, and current issues, covering governance, electoral system, and public policy. The department promotes political awareness, national integrity, and responsible citizenship, encouraging research and extracurricular engagements. Economics imparts knowledge of economic theory, policy, and problem solving, raising awareness of current issues and developing analytical skills. Seminars, workshops, and field projects help students connect theory with real-world challenges. Sociology offers education on social structures, change and contemporary issues like democracy, equality, gender and environment. Faculty are active in research and organize guest lectures, seminars and workshops, encouraging student participation in field project and research presentation.
In the Department of Psychology, practical work is central to the curriculum, with students conducting psychological tests, interpreting results, and engaging in fieldwork with diverse groups such as children with intellectual disabilities. Certificate courses like emotional intelligence further enhance their applied skills.
The departments of geography emphasize hands-on training through laboratory work, map reading, and field surveys. Students use geographical instruments, prepare maps, and study landforms and environmental features, building technical skills in cartography and spatial analysis for research and applied careers.
The Department of Physical Education prioritized experiential learning, involving students in athletics, gymnastics, yoga, and various sports through regular practical sessions. The curriculum covers first aid, recreational games, and educational tours, equipping students with practical skills in health, fitness, and sports management, with practical exams assessing their proficiency.
Established in 1981, the Department of Commerce offers a comprehensive BCom program with specialization in accounting, costing, and industrial management. The department emphasizes student-centric education, utilizing technology-enabled classrooms with projectors and a dedicated library to support academic growth. Learning is made engaging and practical through participative activities such as food fest, wallpaper presentation, skill competitions, and poster presentations. Students benefit from experiential learning via industry visits, fieldwork in CA offices, educational movie screenings, and participation in agricultural events, ensuring a strong link between theory and real-world applications.
Research and professional development are strongly encouraged, with students undertaking projects and attending national and international conferences. The department's accomplished alumni excel in fields ranging from the Indian Army and police services to banking, rural development, and the corporate sector, reflecting its commitment to preparing future-ready professionals.
Established in 1989, the chemistry department has evolved into a center of excellence in teaching, research, and innovation, dedicated to preparing professional and competitive graduates. The department boasts modern infrastructure with 4 well-equipped laboratories that offer a safe and engaging environment for practical learning. Through memorandums of understanding with reputed institutions and industries, students gain valuable exposure to real-world practices, further enhanced by regular industrial visits that bridge theoretical knowledge with hands-on experiences.
The department provides robust placement support, guiding students from education to employment through campus interviews and career mentorship, with many graduates pursuing higher studies at prestigious institutions. Its successful alumni network spans research, academia, industry, and policymaking. Participative and experiential learning is emphasized through study tours, group discussions, workshops, and hands-on training. Continuous internal evaluation via assignments, tests, oral assignments, and group discussion ensure regular constructive feedback, while strict adherence to safety protocols maintains a responsible laboratory environment.
Established in 1991, the Department of Physics at Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Kaute Mahankal, consists of 4 dedicated faculty members who have collectively published 21 research papers and completed a summer research project. The department is committed to holistic student development through a range of co-curricular activities including essays, group discussions, debates, poster presentations, class seminars, and career-oriented courses. Laboratories are fully equipped with computers, LCD projectors, and ICT-enabled tools, while technology platforms such as Google Meet, Zoom, Google Classrooms, WhatsApps, and Google Forms are utilized to create an interactive and flexible learning environment.
Continuous internal evaluation is maintained through oral exams, unit tests, surprise tests, group discussions, and home assignments. The department emphasizes student-centric and experiential learning by organizing activities like group discussion, poster presentation, debates, quiz, guest lectures, and participation in the Anand Educational Exhibition. Alumni for the department have gone on to excel in diverse fields, including academia, law, social work, businesses, and public services. The department is committed to ongoing self-assessment and continuous improvement for future growth.
The Department of Botany at Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya, Kaute Mahankal, established in 1989, offers undergraduate programs focused on providing a strong foundation in plant sciences. The department is equipped with modern laboratory facilities, including a digital classroom, a diverse collection of preserved plant specimens, of fossils museum, and a specialized library. Students benefit from hands-on experiences using advanced instruments such as compound and dissecting microscope, a microtome machine, muffle furnace, autoclave, digital pH meter, and more. ICT-enabled classroom and LCD projectors further enhance interactive and participative learning.
Research is a central focus, with faculty and students contributing to significant botanical discoveries, such as the identification of the new Planoxylon chitlensis from Maharashtra. The department supports through comprehensive study material on advanced topics and fosters research-based participative and experiential learning. Activities includes seminars, presentations, quiz, field visits, workshops, and the Wild Vegetable Festival. A memorandum of understanding with SEBC Pune strengthens efforts to raise awareness about biodiversity conservation, ensuring students are engaged in both academic and real-world botanical challenges.
Zoology. The Department of Zoology at Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya, Kaute Mahankal, established in 1989, offers undergraduate BSc courses and provides students with comprehensive practical exposure through a well-equipped laboratory. The lab features a diverse collection of animal specimens, digital and compound microscopes, dissecting microscopes, and essential instruments such as a microtome, incubator, centrifuge, and colorimeter, supporting hands-on learning in physiology, molecular biology, histology, cytology, and ecology. A dedicated museum further enriches taxonomic and anatomical studies with preserved specimens, skeletons, and models, while a departmental library and field equipment support both academic and field-based learning.
The department actively promotes participative and experiential learning through seminars, quiz, group discussions, and field excursion to biodiversity park, sanctuaries, and marine ecosystems, collaborations and MOUs with research institutes and NGOs, including the Nature Conservation Society, Sangli, provide students with opportunities for internship, research projects, and involvement in wildlife rescue and citizen science initiatives. Undergraduate research is strongly encouraged, with the students undertaking projects, paper presentation, and internship in areas such as ecology, genetics, and conservation biology.
Have earned notable recognition, with Professor Dr. Suvarna Balkrishna More publishing 43 papers, authoring a book, completing 2 projects, receiving 5 Best Research Paper awards, and presenting at UNESCO meetings. Dr. R.A. Sanadi has contributed 11 publications, a book chapters, a Best Paper award, and holds a patent for a wearable exoskeleton for construction workers. This comprehensive approach ensures that students receive robust academic training, practical experience, and significant opportunities for research and professional development.
The Department of Mathematics at our college, established in 2021, is dedicated to providing high quality instructions in mathematical sciences. The department features a computational laboratory with 16 computers, 2 lecture halls, departmental library housing over 180 books, including reference material and magazine. Faculty members prepare problem-solving questionnaires and guide final year students in project work, fostering analytical and reasoning skills. The department also offers a career-oriented course in Introduction to Python, supporting students' competitiveness in the job market. Committed to academic excellence, the department continually updates its teaching practices to meet the needs of diverse science and technology programs.
The department boasts a dedicated team of 6 teachers, 2 permanent, 4 temporary, and offers undergraduate courses in BSc, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and BCom 2nd, with a well-equipped computer lab featuring 24 computers and an LCD projector, calculators, and a printer. Since introducing statistics as a principal subject for BSc 3rd in the academic year 2020-21, the department has consistently achieved near perfect results, with over half of its students pursuing higher education at reputed institutions and several alumni securing placements in the software industry. Notably, students have earned university merit scholarships, achieved high ranks in university merit list and entrance exams, and the department has produced 2 MSc graduating batches. Faculty members are highly accomplished, having authored 16 books, published over 30 research papers, and received multiple awards for their contributions. The department runs a consultancy center for data analysis, supports research activities, and assists with institutional quality assessments. It actively promotes experiential learning through field visits, research projects, competitions, and collaborations via MOUs with SUSTA and other colleges. Teaching is enhanced through extensive use of ICT tools, online platforms, and interactive methods, while a robust internal assessment system, including online tests, quizzes, presentations, and seminars, ensures comprehensive student evaluation and skill development.
The National Services Scheme NSS have made a significant contribution in field of community services since its inception. NSS is committed toward sensitizing students to social issues and holistic development. The key issues addressed by NSS during this cycle were health and hygiene, environment conservation, and democratic values, particularly vaccination drives, water conservation through bonding, electoral literary campaigns, community for reading, etc. The testimony of head of adopted villages is promising.
नमस्कार, मी दादासाहेब सूर्यवंशी लंगरपेठचा एक नागरिक बोलतोय. लंगरपेठ गावामध्ये लंगरपेठ ग्रामपंचायत आणि PVP कॉलेज कवठेमंकाळ यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने 10 फेब्रुवारी ते 16 फेब्रुवारी 2025 या दरम्यान महाविद्यालयाचा NSSचा कॅम्प झाला आणि ह्या NSSच्या कॅम्पमध्ये कॉलेजच्या मुलांनी हिरिरीनं भाग घेतला होता आणि ह्या मुलांनी गावामध्ये विधायक कामं केली. या विधायक कामामध्ये वनराई बंधारे 2 बांधले, त्याचबरोबर गावातील शेतकऱ्यांच्या जमिनीचं माती परीक्षण केलं. तसंच पशुचिकित्साही काही मुलांनी घडवून आणली. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे गावातील संध्याकाळच्या वेळेला, रात्रीच्या वेळेला मुलांनी प्रबोधनाचं काम केलं. विविध माध्यमातून काव्य संमेलन असेल किंवा इतर अशा याच्या माध्यमातून त्यांनी हे केलेलं.
Our college has always witnessed a strong passion among students, Indian Armed Forces. With this long-standing aspiration in mind, efforts to establish an NCC unit began way back in 1983. After decades of consistent follow-up, our college was finally granted a unit under the 16th Maharashtra Battalion, Sangli, on 16th February 2023. Our NCC unit regularly organizes social services and community development activities, including tree plantation, cleanliness drives, election duty, and health awareness campaigns. This helps our cadets to stay rooted in service while developing leadership and discipline. In addition, regular training and parade sessions are conducted every Thursday under the expert guidance of PI staff. In the future, we aim to create guidance facilities for students aspiring to join NDA, IMA, OTA, and other forces.
Established in 1978, the Gymkhana department serves as a central hub for sports and cultural activities, offering indoor facilities for table tennis, chess, and a gym, as well as outdoor court and an 8-lane 400-meter track for various sports like volleyball, kabaddi, kho-kho, tennis, and basketball. Its primary aim is to foster team spirit, sportsmanship, and overall fitness among students, promoting a healthy lifestyle through regular participation in intra-collegiate and interdepartmental competitions. Over the past 5 years, more than 300 students have competed in athletics, handball, wrestling, chess, swimming, and other sports, consistently securing top position at divisional, state, and national levels. Many athletes have represented the college, university, district, and state in the prestigious competitions. The department also celebrates important events such as National Sports Day, International Yoga Day, and national holidays. While physical education is actively taught across college under Shivaji University, Kolhapur.
The cultural department plays a vital role in enriching campus life by fostering a vibrant cultural environment alongside academic pursuits. In recent years, our students have excelled in numerous cultural events, with folk art team winning first place at the Sangli District Youth Festival in 2023-24 and 2024-25 and earning recognition at the Central Youth Festival. These achievements highlight the exceptional talent and dedication of our students. Our department organizes and participates in a wide range of activities, from traditional performances like Indian group songs, classical dance and bhajan competitions to contemporary expressions such as street plays, skates, rangoli and mehendi. The high level of student participations reflects strong enthusiasm for cultural engagement, which fosters teamwork, creativity and a deep sense of cultural identity, contributing significantly to the holistic development of our students.
Provides a comprehensive range of facilities and amenities to ensure a comfortable and productive environment for students and staff. The Sanstha office serves as the administrative hub for the institution's parent body, overseeing governance and policy matters. The staff room offers a dedicated space for faculty to collaborate, prepare lessons, and engage in academic discussions. The administrative office efficiently manages admissions, records, and student services, supporting the smooth functioning of the college. The principal's cabin is designed for leadership, meeting, and confidential discussions. For convenience and comfort, the campus includes well-maintained restrooms and separate men's and women's common rooms, providing spaces for relaxation and informal interaction. There are dedicated toilets for both girls and boys, ensuring hygiene and privacy. Additionally, a vending machine for girls is installed, offering easy access to sanitary products and promoting health and well-being. These amenities collectively contribute a safe, inclusive, and supportive campus atmosphere for all members of the college community.
Our library is a vibrant hub with a vast collection of 86,766 volumes and 37,262 unique titles, enriched by 1,562 new books this year, valued at 2,70,251. Circulation services managed through Koha software are highly active, with 36,371 transactions recorded, including 15,091 books issued and 17,742 returns, as well as iCard and periodical transactions. The library also subscribes to 36 print periodicals and provides access to millions of ebooks and thousands of online journals and open access resources, ensuring a wealth of information for all users. Welcoming 38,286 visitors this year, the library offers a dedicated reading room, extensive circulation services, and internet access supported by 33 computers. Students and faculty benefit from a range of services such as OPAC access, current awareness and references services, interlibrary loans, reprography, and a unique one book a week initiatives. The digital library supports e-books, e-journals, printings, and download-upload facilities, enhancing research and learning experiences.
Additional offerings includes user orientation, displays of new arrivals and accesses to back volumes of journals. With robust infrastructure and user-focused services, the library empowers students, faculty and visitors with seamless access to physical and digital resources, supporting their academic and research pursuits.
The college's alumni have made their mark in diverse fields, from academia and administration to industry and entrepreneurship. Their achievements are a source of inspiration for current students, and their active involvement strengthens the college's legacy. The Registered Alumni Associations serves as a vital link between past and present students. It organizes regular alumni meets and events, providing a platform for networking, mentorship, and career guidance. Alumni actively participate in college activities, offering guest lectures, supporting workshops, and contributing to community outreach programs in partnership with the IQAC.
The association's feedback is valued in institutional planning, ensuring the college growth remains relevant and impactful. Through these efforts, the Alumni Association not only celebrates the achievements of its members, but also strengthens the college legacy as a catalyst for rural transformation.
Myself, Professor Dr. M.K. Patil, Principal of this college. At Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Kautemanka, we are dedicated to empowering rural youth through quality education, strong values, and innovative learning. Our committed faculty, modern infrastructure, and vibrant student community work together to create an environment where every student can thrive. As the only grantable institution in this tehsil, we take pride in our role as a catalyst for sustainable growth and social information. Together, we are building a brighter future for our students and our society. Thank you.
Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Kaute Mahankal, is more than an institution. It is a movement for rural transformation. With its unwavering commitment to quality, inclusivity, and holistic development, it continues to shape the future one student at a time. As the only grantable institution in the tehsil, the college remains dedicated to its mission, nurturing rural youth, fostering sustainable growth, and upholding the highest standards of moral and ethical values. The journey continues with new milestone yet to be achieved.